I think I was showing you my bank card this entire time. Hi everyone, welcome back. It has been a while since my last video post. I know I've just been working a lot. And first, before I start, I just want to say thank you to everyone that has recently subscribed. I've had a pretty significant jump in subscribers, so thank you so much for that. I passed 50, which is really exciting for me, and you know, I just do this for fun, so yeah, thank you so much. And I'm just gonna go right into the video now. So today I want to talk about something that I bought about 2 to 3 months ago, and that is a Balenciaga card holder. I knew I just wanted a card holder, and I'm not an SLG girl. We are on a budget, so I have to choose between either if I want to purchase a handbag or a special piece rather than a bunch of little small leather goods. I saw this wallet on Nordstrom first, Nordstrom.com, and they do have a lot of different colorways. The Revolve luxury site has different ones, and that's actually the site that I picked mine up on. So for the color that I chose, it was between this one and a navy croc embossed white logoed one. And then I saw this one online and I just knew I had to have it. I love little bright accessories because I just like how it goes with different bags. So this is my card holder. You've probably seen it in other videos that I've posted. I have revealed it, I've just never talked about it. So this is the Balenciaga card holder. I'm gonna put the official name because Balenciaga's site has it as something different, and then Nordstrom has it as something different, and then the site that I bought it from has it labeled as something different. So I'm just gonna put the official one on the screen, and then I will put the one down below that I ended up purchasing. So this one is in the slime green, they call it, patent embossed leather with the logo on the front. So one thing about this, and when I got it, I knew right away, this logo is not embossed or imprinted, hot stamped in any way. It's just screen printed. I don't know if I can get really close up for you to see. It's just screen printed, so I can say without a doubt that this is probably gonna rub off at some point, or the letters are gonna start chipping away. There's a little bit of chipping on the E. Also, I would not put your keys by this because if your key scratches the logo, it's just gonna go right through. So that's one thing that I'm a little unhappy with this card holder. But first, I just want to say the reason that I bought this card holder was because I just love how it looks. I am a croc embossed girl. I love crocodile. I love anything that's exotic. So when I saw this, I loved it. I also love this really bright slime green color because I think it just is fun. Like when you pull it out of your bag, like the bag that I'm using right now is my Kathy Van Zeeland crown tote. Cute. Speedy 25. Cute. My little vintage croc embossed leather pouch. Cute. My Marc Jacobs J-Link tote in the lavender. Cute. So even though you'd think that this like wouldn't go with a lot of things, it does, and that's what I love about it. So that's definitely what sold me on this. It wasn't the usability, it was the design factor. So when you order this, it did come with a box, a dust bag, and then a bunch of little tags that don't really say anything worth noting. It's just a lot of branding, and then these were in the card holder. So the usability of this though is not the greatest. It is so freaking tight. You cannot overstuff this at all, even in the slightest. And that being said, I'm not even gonna take any of my cards out. I'm not, because they're so hard to put back in. I had to, before coming back from work, I had to get some gas, which $20 barely gets me half a tank now, so maybe I should have gotten a Forever 21 card holder instead of this one, but hey, no going back. And I have to kind of prep when I pull out my credit cards because they are so difficult to get out of the card holder. I'll give you two instances. I was at a coffee shop. This was brand new. I was trying to get my card out and I was so embarrassed. I tried to do it inside of my bag, but I physically couldn't. It took me about 30 seconds of trying to jam my fingers into here to pull out my card. It was really embarrassing. I could tell the girl was like, you can have a Balenciaga card holder, but you can't get your cards out. Like, maybe rethink that. It's fine. She was cool about it. It's so tight, and I have used this, only this, for the past 3 months, and it's still a bee to get your cards in and out. So yeah, I didn't even, that's the thing. I bought this to keep myself organized, but I'm not even putting my cards back into it because it's a pain. In this little pocket, I keep my very thin, it's a little bit thicker than a receipt, okay? My bank card in here. And then I have two slim little Bible verse cards. I can barely get my bank card in and out. So if you are planning to get this to overstuff it and put a lot of cards into it, I don't recommend. I could barely, there's two regular cards in here, an insurance card and an extra credit card, and I could barely fit that in there. I had to jam it in. You can't fit cash in here. Some people like to slide quarters sometimes, can't fit that in here. So overall, I love the design of this. I think it's beautiful. I think it's one of the most unique and cool looking card holders that are out on the luxury market right now, but the usability is really not there. I'm not unhappy with my purchase just because I love the way that it looks, and I think that it being so bright, it can still be so versatile is amazing to me. But I truly would not recommend this if you are a really fast-paced grab-and-go type person. This will not be for you. That being said, I know that this is in different leather types too, like smooth leathers, and I'm sure that has a lot more like stretchable pockets on it, but with the patent croc embossed leather, it's just not there. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this quick little review and reveal. I hope that you got something out of it. I know it's kind of a whirlwind of a review. I'm trying to work better on my personality because off camera I'm pretty bubbly, but on camera I just get kind of nervous, so I go really monotone, and I noticed that in my Marc Jacobs reveal and review, but so far people seem to like it. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I would love to start doing more lookbook fashion type videos one of these days. But yeah, I hope this review was helpful, and again, thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to stick around, please hit that subscribe button and comment down below if you like this card holder or if you would completely pass on it. I'm interested to know. And I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I hope to see you soon.